YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this, my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment. All the above. What's good with these dates pushed back?
It's all good, Ice.
Shit's crazy. First it was the 6s, now it's the 5s, now it's... You name it! You know what I'm saying? They pushing it all back. What the fuck did you do? We'll get into that in a minute. I'm actually up here at Kingsbridge, about to get the teeth cleaned. Even though the coronavirus still going on, know what I'm saying? Gotta keep your hygiene up. Word. Well, y'all know that because y'all copping all the soap and stuff. But yeah, man, we up here. That's one place that I won't be eating at.
You can believe that.
Y'all already know. But yeah, man, once we get back, we'll have a little discussion. Y'all gonna roll me a bit. Y'all already know, man, I'm going to the juice bar today. Might go tomorrow as well. But I gotta stock up on a few things. Beer being one necessity. But anyway, man, before I get up in this dentist, I gotta go to the bank right quick. Them niggas tripping. Nah, but 400 likes on this joint. See you when I see you in a second. Out.
Slow down, West, she killing them.
Right, beautiful day in the BX, fresh about the dentist office. Everything looking good, you know what I'm saying?
No.
Ain't nothing like just coming up out the dentist, got the teeth clean. I like when you can feel the grooves at the back of your teeth. It's nothing like it. But anyway, before we do head over to the juice bar, get healthy, let me talk about a pair of sneaks that I've been wanting to get, like, for a minute. I've been really looking forward to the damn fire red Jordan 5s. Now they're saying that these joints ain't coming out until the 25th now. Whew. I was really banking on a pair, you know what I'm saying? Like, I even wanted to get them joints early, man. These are my favorite Jordan 5s, like that colorway. I love them joints. It goes those, the metallics, and then it's the grapes, you know? But damn, I don't know how I feel about this pushback. Like, is it due to the coronavirus that they're pushing back all these sneakers? But man, them 5s was really, I really wanted those, even though my 2012s are still clean. I just wanted that Nike Air on the back because I haven't had a pair since what, 99. But yeah, man, that's, man, shout out to the vintage. I see he got his pair early, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm damn sure ready to get my own feet with these joints. But man, I'm about to go to the juice bar, and then I'm gonna go pick up, I don't really feel like even hitting these damn supermarkets up with all these people. I might wait until I can go like on base to the commissary where it'd be least, you know what I'm saying, less of a struggle. But I don't know. But man, how do y'all, let me know how y'all feel about these damn pushbacks. Is it like a relief on the pockets, you know? Because yo, thinking about it, I know it's like tax time and stuff. Shit, that deadline might get pushed back. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, y'all got a little bit more time to get all your documents together before you get them pesos. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, man, yeah, ain't no brother. Follow me out.
I don't mind doing this shit 100 times until it's right. Okay, now let's go. It's up there and it's stuck there. This new world unfair, ain't no love here. I don't wear Montclair, can't tuck there. It's too fitted, where I'ma put this biscuit. This the vintage, Pete crack the nemesis. Send rappers upstairs, leave them in remembrance. Keep burning like an incense. Fire like the shit you get when you flick a lighter. Fire. Now picture this, I remember this. Instagram chick, kept DMing pics. Knowing how I like the swimming shit. Dumb thick, I proceeded to persist. I admit, I went to the bitch crib trying to hit on some drunk shit, on some dumb shit. She had that fun dip, made me come dumb quick till I heard some click. Sound like the top lock, pocket rocket 5 shots. Felt like time stopped, I crouched behind the couch.
I'm the only one healthy today. Yo, shout out the homie back there, recognize me. Salute, appreciate it, you know what I'm saying? Ow. Yo, so next up, the Flints. It's another joint that I'm kind of like, yo, what the hell? Not really, no. Let me slide that back.
I'm reverse the script, check this out.
The Flints, I got a pair, but I do want a newer pair. I will probably see like more people like really complaining about these joints like getting pushed back because they probably didn't get them like the last drop. Damn sure ain't got them the drop before, you know what I'm saying, and then the drop before that, you know. But yeah, nah, yeah, I want these joints. Nice summer sneaker, but like I say, I still got my joints nice and clean, so these ain't gonna see the light of day until Buckeye City Soul tell me to break them joints out. But nah, man, damn, another pushback. When I think these are damn, no, I think these are like May 2nd, which I guess, man, right now you can kind of like go back and get, Okay. You can kind of like go back and get like sneaks that you kind of missed out on. May 2nd, that ain't that bad. I mean, I get it. Cats wanted to get them in April, depending where you at. You know, like when it starts getting warmer. That's a real nice sneak to kind of pump out. I usually rock them joints, the Flints, with like my big pun gear. You know, like a couple layers on. I think the last 2 summers, you know, threw the shorts on with it, threw the Yankee jersey on or something like that. But yeah, man, it's another setback, you know, minor setback for a major comeback. I guess Nike knows something too, but I see the Yeezys ain't getting pushed back right now. Don't say nothing because they might they might get pushed back. But yeah, man, I just came up out the juice bar, had a few I had the I had the Around the World, because I'm a little sliz. I had a Gorilla Protein, and then I just said, you know what, let me get a carrot juice too, because I ain't ate nothing all day. So, you know what I'm saying, that's just me being healthy. But damn, it was packed in there first, but then it died down. But damn, man, all the people in there with the coughing and shit, like, you know, be respectful. But yeah, man, so I guess I'm gonna hit the graffiti block right quick. I gotta get a fit. What else? I'm gonna go get some beer. Word. But you already know, man. 400 likes on this joint. Follow me.
I don't regret the homies I cut off or the bitches I canceled. Up late in the kitchen, dripping the pot handle. You sitting for clipping an innocent bystander. Low income livers grew to be niggas with high standards. Hey look, got my introduction, robbing shit and hustling. They called to squash the beef, not in discussion. Made it to the point only reached by 5% of hustlers. Put it on a stove, I stretch it, and I can get quintuplet. Sparking pistols with long extendos. Spray the driver's side like we trying to wash the windows.
I'm out here at the graffiti spot, just getting a quick flick. So next up on the chopping block is the Jordan 6 DMPs. Want these as well. Been looking for them. I think this is about like the 2nd time these joints got pushed back. April 11th, I think, is the new date, which isn't that bad. I mean, you know what I'm saying? Still gives you time to like stack up, and if you're not able to get these sneaks now since they're pushed back, that'll get you something that you've been wanting to get, you know? That's how I see it. All it is, man, I just see it, it just gives us something to talk about, you know, like with the pushbacks and all this bullshit going on. Like I said, man, yo, be careful out here, but I'm not letting it stop my life. Like, I remember Cass was like, you know, with the, oh, DR so dangerous, I wouldn't go visit. Do you have a passport? No. Okay, well then you ain't going nowhere. You know what I'm saying? Like a lot of these people, and like I said, yeah, this is something, man. If you get sick, man, keep your ass home. Don't get anybody else sick. But a lot of people that's been pushing this issue, like I would really, 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 really like to see their, like what does their weekend consist of? Like, you know, sitting in front of the, you know, the internet, and you know, like fuck all that. But I heard there's this movie called Contagion that I should see. Like I'll check it out. But yeah, man, DMPs. Yeah, I've been seeing early pairs floating around and stuff. I wanted a pair because I've never had that pair before. I remember when they dropped even back in the day. I just wasn't really into that color. I'm not gonna say I'm not into that color. I just, with the gold kicks, because none of my jewelry is like gold. It's like white gold. And now I'm the dumbass that found out a few years back that white gold is just dipped in rhodium and it's really yellow gold underneath. So I was like, hey. But yeah, I do want them joints, man. Them joints are pretty fly. But I think my first pick, I want the 5s, then the 6s, because I need those, and then the Flints, you know, because I plan on getting all 3. Y'all plan on getting all 3? Let me know. And then we also got the Air Jordan 11 lows, those black and red joints. I kind of wish they were the mid, or you know, like the highs. Those would be better. I'm still waiting on Jordan Brand to come out with a white and red Jordan 11 like high joint. Those would be pretty straight. Yeah, especially for the summer, you know. But yeah, those lows, don't really see myself going after them. Nice. Probably if it was 2003, I would have probably got them joints. Not a joint that I'm gonna get. But anyway, man, I'm about to go up in here and see if I can get some brew, and maybe I ain't trying to do too much shopping because here it seemed like too many people gonna be around there, and I'll just wait till I get to the commissary or something where, you know, only the military can go shop. But anyway, man, follow me, man. Once again, 400 likes on this joint. Last but not least, we got the top 3s, Air Jordan 5s. These joints for me, I'm gonna cop. They just kind of like remind me of the emerald that I'm selling. Matter of fact, in my sneaker sale, check that out. They size 9.5, so be ready. Nah, but yeah, so yeah, that's what they kind of remind me of. They dropped May the 30th. They ain't really been on my radar like that. I mean, I seen them like, oh, okay, cool, but nothing that I really got to get. But I will go ahead and grab them. Just cause. Let's see what else. Oh, the Fire Red 4s supposed to be dropping the Nike Air on the back. I'm not sure the date. If I find it, I'm gonna put it up there. Y'all probably seen the joint. I'm kind of hype about that too, because the 4s that I originally got, they had like $150 across the midsole. So hopefully Nike gets it right this time, and midsole is, you know, better taken care of. But yeah, so those are my joints right there, man. Let me know what y'all trying to cop. Let me know if this, like, you know, y'all tight. Or y'all gonna go ahead and just try to find them joints early or what?
Well, there is no or what. That's what I do.
For me, it is what it is. I mean, when they drop, I'll cop. Word. But anyway, yo, I'm about to get up out of here. Again, 400 likes on this joint. I appreciate everybody that's been rocking with me. Remember, wash your hands, stay safe. Don't let people cough near you and stuff like that. It's still up in the air on my next 2 trips, but you know, I'll figure it out. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. But anyway, you already know. Follow me on that Snap. Follow me on that IG. Follow me on that Twitter. That Twitter be. But that's Snups. It's your boy Wavy. You already know this. My channel, Mr. What Your Beach. Like I always like to say, see you when I see you.